Welcome back to another video, guys. So what we're doing today is we're taking off the exhaust manifold because we have some parts that will be going back on. So we're just working on that at the moment. I'm going to assume that all of these are going to come out as the studs because the bolts are basically seized, the nuts are seized on there.
So this one's coming out as the stud as well. I have put some penetrating lubricant on there. That's obviously not working. Looking at these, I don't think these exhaust manifolds have ever been taken off. I actually haven't taken them off before, which is fine. We'll probably get some new exhaust studs for it anyway.
So we're back, guys. That took like nearly an hour to pull all those studs, but I've come into a snag. So that one there, that one has kind of rounded itself off, even though I'm using a 12mm spinner, so I don't know what's going on with that. But I gotta figure out a way to get that one out, but the rest of them are all out. But I'll tell you what, it's a bit of a mission. I'm not looking forward to the back ones. So I'll keep playing around with that and I'll come back to it once I get that one out. The fuck? That actually worked. I can't believe that actually worked. There we go, guys. Got the culprit. So I've smacked it with a chisel because these are like really soft brassy type. Well, they're more kind of like copper, so they're really soft nuts, which I don't know if that's just a Mercedes thing, but yeah, I've smacked it with a chisel and I managed to get it off. So nice and loose. I just need to pull one more bolt out down there, which I'm going to try and do now. And when we have this off, we can start mocking up what we need to mock up. Welcome back, guys. So it is the next day. It's a bit fucking horrible. We finally managed to get both exhaust manifolds out. I've test fitted the new flange, so it fits really nicely. But I'll tell you what, that there, the back one, is an absolute nightmare to get out. You'd think, with Mercedes being one of the most over-engineered car manufacturers in the world, you'd think they'd come up with a solution other than putting a bolt right there. That was an absolute nightmare. I spent maybe 45 minutes just trying to get one bolt out. But as you can see, we've got plenty of room for activities in here. So now I start mocking up my exhaust manifold. So we'll play around with that for a little bit. So we're going to wrap it up for today. In the next video we'll start tacking some pipe to it. So I got a whole bunch of these mandrel bends, and what we'll do is we'll try and route them all down to where the turbo is going to sit, probably about here, and go pick that up later on today, hopefully. But yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.